Hi, my name is Thomas Shik. I'm Hang Seng Bank's chief economist. My key takeaway this week was obviously the trade war. Donald Trump has earlier this week started the process of imposing tariffs on a further 200 billion of Chinese imports. This comes after the tariffs imposed by the US in the previous week on 34 billion of Chinese goods. So markets have become more concerned that the trade war between the US and China may escalate and China may take further retaliation measures. We have seen a sell-off in global stocks and the renminbi has weakened to a 9-month low against the US dollar. The second thing I would be watching was Brexit. Two ministers in the UK stepped down early this week, raising doubts over Britain's negotiation with the EU over its exit from the bloc. Next week, I'll be looking for China, which will release its second quarter GDP report on Monday. Market expect a slight slowdown from the Q1 6.8% growth due to China's ongoing deleveraging process and the government's efforts to reduce industrial overcapacity. On Tuesday, the Federal Reserve Chair Jay Powell will testify to Congress on monetary policy. And this is a rather big market event because we will know how he will assess the US economic outlook given the rising tensions on trade between the US and China, and how likely the Fed will increase interest rates by 2 more times in the second half of the year. And in the UK, it will release several data points including jobs, inflation and retail sales. This all together will provide us more information on the UK economy in recent months.